Hello, my name's Rocky Acord. I'm the principal artist here at Big Rock Designs. I'm a large mammal, a big man, and my name's Rocky, so hence the name Big Rock Designs. Been doing this for a short period of time, but I've really enjoyed it and happy to show you where I work and how my creations come to be. This is my studio. I've just taken the rock shop. I've taken a part of my garage and I've converted it into where I work on the rocks. So the whole point of this is to take turquoise, which comes in different shapes. We take it from this basic shape here, or this basic shape here, and turn it into a finished product like this, which is known as a cabochon. Now this product here, this is turquoise from the Patagonia Mountains. I've also got some lovely turquoise from Kingman, Nevada. That's just kind of the different color variations you can have there. And this is some old school Sleeping Beauty turquoise. I've really had a lot of fun with this, and I really enjoyed working with this. It's known for its blue, very little matrix. Sometimes it's got a black matrix. Matrix is the rock that's surrounding it. Makes beautiful jewelry. And then another thing I work with is, this is a copper-based mineral. It's called chrysocolla. It's a very hard material, and it shines up very nice and pretty. So we take the stone like this. Got a Roxa. Basically, what it is, it's a wet-based saw that water fills the reservoir here. It's got a very thin blade, and we cut the turquoise into very thin pieces. That's an end piece that came off of it. Here we go. As you can see, very thin pieces, anywhere from 3 to 6 millimeters. Anything over 6 millimeters in thickness, it makes it too difficult to work with, and anything under 3 millimeters, it can be very brittle to work with. So after we sliced it there, then we figured out what the basic shape is. We cut a rough cut of the shape out. And then we come over to this machine here. This is a cabochon machine. And what this does, it's got a water supply that comes in. Control the water here. And I'm not going to turn it on because it's pretty loud. But it spins at pretty high revolutions. And we've got diamond impregnated wheels. There's 6 of them. So we start out here with 80 grit that gets it to the basic shape. And then we start refining. We go to 200 grit. This is 280 grit, 600 grit, and the higher the grit number is the number of pieces of diamond that are within a square inch. This is 600 grit. This is 1500 grit. And this is 3000 grit. By the time you get to the 1500 to 3000, you're just looking for kind of a final polish, getting all of the scratches out of the stone. Then this is an elk skin wheel, and we put what's called sapphire powder on here, and that's what we use to get the final polish on the turquoise. So after the turquoise is cut and polished, then we go up into the jewelry studio.